Cancer is escalating in our region with a new technology that combines magnetic resonance imaging with radiation delivery. The Allegheny Health Network Cancer Institute is among the first 6 centers in the United States and the first in our region to enter a research agreement with a developer called Elekta to deploy the system. The goal is to develop better ways to personalize radiation delivery. Dr. David Parda is back with us. He's a radiation oncologist at Allegheny Health Network, a unit of Highmark Health, which of course sponsors the program. Welcome. Good to have you here.
Thank you.
Yeah, good to have you back. So tell me a little bit about what this technology is and how it differs from the tools you already have available when you're talking about radiation and cancer therapy.
Well, this is integrating imaging and radiation delivery in one unit with integrated software that allows us to really focus the radiation in much more precise and personalized ways for the individual patient according to their individual anatomy and exactly what's going on with their individual cancer.
And how do you deal with the imaging issue now with current technology when it's not all one?
Well, we image the patients before and after treatment, but now this is something that allows us to image the patient during treatment.
So it can be a little more, much more fine-tuned in terms of how you direct the radiation for the purpose of the therapy?
Yeah, this gets us built to sub-millimeter precision.
Wow, so that target, and what kind of benefit do you think that can have for the patient and for the treatment?
Well, the benefits we're seeing as the advances accelerate in cancer treatments, it allows us to escalate the radiation dose in very precise ways that allows us to control cancers with a much higher rate of success. So the stereotactic body radiation therapy, stereotactic radiosurgery, this is delivering focused high doses of radiation to tumors to ablate the tumors. So this really allows us to further those advances.
Now this is really new technology. As I understand it, this installation here is actually part of a research program essentially as well, not just clinical treatment?
Yes, we're part of a research consortium that involves us at Allegheny Health Network Cancer Institute, the MD Anderson Cancer Center, Sloan Kettering, Iowa, and Wisconsin, and many sites throughout Canada, China, and Europe that have come together in a research consortium to further test and develop this technology.
And so that when you talk about the kind of research, it's how to use this more effectively, and you'll be comparing notes on how you get the best outcomes from this?
Yeah, it's all about collaborating and sharing knowledge and expertise. That's how we're accelerating advances and getting it to the patients faster.
And I guess modern technology makes it a lot easier to share and collaborate probably than ever before.
That's true. We get together in person several times a year, but we're interacting virtually all the time.
Now, how did this come about, and how did it come to be here in our region?
Well, we've got a long history of developing advancing technologies at Allegheny General Hospital and throughout Allegheny Health Network. So given our expertise in cancer care as well as radiation oncology and really advancing this delivery and imaging of radiation, we were asked to join this consortium and help contribute.
Is this part of the investment that the Allegheny Health Network is making with the new cancer hospital right there adjoining Allegheny General?
Yeah, this is part of the Academic Cancer Center at Allegheny General Hospital, which is the integration, innovation, and collaboration hub for the whole cancer network. It's where we're bringing patient care, education, research and development, clinical trials together to integrate community cancer care with academic specialty cancer care, and further developing it with our colleagues at Johns Hopkins and Penn State, and now with industry collaborators like Elekta. And it's part of us further developing and building our leading personalized medicine and precision medicine program. This is one aspect of a precision medicine program where you bring imaging and radiation together. Other aspects include focused personalized surgery, genomic testing, immunotherapy, chemotherapy, biologic therapy, and immunotherapy, as well as bringing all of the specialties together in a much more personalized way for the patients.
It really becomes more than a buzzword, because I know personalized medicine, there's a lot of talk about that, but I remember historically they used to say in cancer treatment, we just throw everything we've got at the patient and hope they live and they survive the cancer. It's a lot more sophisticated today.
Yeah, and the key, Bill, is really bringing all of these specialties and the experts together in a highly collaborative and personalized way for the individual patient. This personalized precision medicine takes the form of surgery, radiation, systemic therapy, chemotherapy, biologic therapy, immunotherapy, as well as imaging and pathologic testing. So that's how we're building the Academic Cancer Center in really one of the most integrated ways that has been developed to date.
Well, exciting. Great to see that kind of research leadership here in our region. Dr. David Parda from Allegheny Health Network. Thanks so much. Good to see you.
Thanks a lot, Bill.
Absolutely. And when we return, the story of a Pittsburgh rabbi whose global work has been so significant, there's now a book about his life. Please stay with us.